Elon Musk predicts the end of Hollywood as we know it, and AI is taking over. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The SpaceX and XAI CEO stunned fans in a bombshell YouTube interview, claiming that by 2026, more than 90% of all movies, podcasts, and digital media could be AI generated. Musk spoke on the video titled Elon Musk, a different conversation with Nikhil Kamath, where he revealed that XAI's upcoming Grok 3 model could soon create full-length films from simple text prompts, potentially rivaling the biggest Hollywood studios. While Elon gushed over AI's capabilities, he admitted the tools are not perfect yet. He said, current AI struggles to maintain narrative consistency across long content, while praising its ability to mimic human beings quite well. Musk also warned that such powerful tech comes with risks, saying there's some danger when you create a powerful technology. It can be potentially destructive, saying that AI must prioritize truth. Despite Musk's bold claims, Hollywood isn't ready to hand over the creative control. Streaming giants like Netflix and Disney have made it clear they won't accept AI-generated content without human oversight due to concerns over quality, authenticity, and storytelling. Still, Musk's vision paints a future where AI dominates the media landscape, changing how we consume entertainment from blockbuster films to the podcasts we binge on. Whether this future will revolutionize creativity or reduce it to algorithms is the next big question, and Musk thinks AI would be the center of it all. With AI-powered Hollywood, the era of human-only creators may be ending sooner than we imagined, according to Elon Musk. Scary, right? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Elon Musk just dropped a Christmas gift that's got artists fuming, and it's not what anyone wanted. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. X has rolled out a brand new AI image editing feature that lets anyone change your artwork with a single click. Just hit the 3 dots on a post or the little icon on an image, type in a prompt, and boom, your masterpiece can be AI edited, downloaded, and shared by anyone. Plus, there's no opt-out, no protection, and it's automatically turned on for all users. For artists, this is a nightmare. Many already abandoned X during the Great Exodus, fed up with AI bots, conspiracy theories, and toxic chaos. Now, the platform is actively encouraging anyone to manipulate original art, and it's sparking outrage. One user wrote, "Sorry Elon, but no artist wants others to steal or tweak their work," while another warned the days of promoting real art on X are over. Some artists are going to stop posting images entirely. Tech tools like Nightshade and Glaze can protect art from AI training, but they do nothing to stop someone from editing your image directly on X. GIFs instead of JPGs might work, but at the cost of quality. The backlash isn't just from creators. Big businesses and IP holders could step in too. Disney and the Motion Picture Association have already fought AI reproductions of their content. Whether Musk knew the outrage was coming or timed the feature release during the holidays to fly under the radar, it sure made artists mad, and X just became a battlefield for creative control. This gift might end up being the one thing artists won't be unwrapping this Christmas. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Austin, Texas may never look at traffic the same way again. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the latest tech news. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed that fully autonomous robotaxis are now cruising city streets without a single human safety monitor on board, just weeks after promising to remove them from the fleet entirely by the end of 2025. A user on X posted a video on December 14th showing a Model Y gliding through Austin with nobody behind the wheel. The clip quickly went viral, reposted by Musk fan GadInsider, prompting Musk himself to tweet testing is underway with no occupants in the car. Tesla chimed in cryptically with just saying, while its AI chief added, "and so it begins." Musk also hinted at a software-driven revolution, tweeting the fleet will wake up via over-the-air software update. Slowly, then all at once. Despite the hype, the testing is limited. Some Tesla owners ordering robotaxis through the app still found human safety drivers in the cars. Austin now has 31 robotaxis, with Musk aiming for 500 by year's end. Seeing the calendar, that's an ambitious stretch. But critics aren't that much thrilled. Tesla's autonomous Model Ys have a history of crashes, traffic mishaps, and even illegal parking. Moving the safety monitor to the driver's seat back in September didn't inspire confidence, and now Musk is pushing full autonomy in a city full of unsuspecting drivers and pedestrians. Austin may soon become a high-stakes ground for Tesla's driverless dream, but for locals, it could feel more like a futuristic traffic nightmare. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates. Elon Musk has dropped a bombshell in the world of mind-bending tech. His Neuralink brain chip has now let a paralyzed man move a robotic arm using nothing but pure thought. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Neuralink stunned the world after posting a jaw-dropping video on X showing patient Rocky Stoutenberg, paralyzed since 2006, controlling a robotic arm as smoothly as if it were his own. With just his thoughts, he lifts the arm, guides it toward his face, and even kisses it. Musk wasted no time calling it a massive leap toward true human-machine integration. The company explained that trial participants can now extend their digital mind control beyond screens and into the physical world. Neuralink wrote, "Participants in our clinical trials have extended digital computer control to physical devices such as assistive robotic arms. And they're nowhere near done," as the company said. "Over time, we plan to expand the range of devices controllable via Neuralink, hinting at a future where thoughts alone might operate tools, wheelchairs, or even entire home systems." This is far beyond Neuralink's earlier abilities, which let users move cursors or tap phone screens with their minds. Now, Musk's brain chip dream is helping paralyzed people interact with the world in a whole new way. Neuralink's implant acts as a brain-computer interface, reading tiny signals in a person's nervous system and translating them into real commands. Though the technology is still in clinical trials and docs are closely checking safety and performance in patients with severe mobility challenges. But with this new milestone, the line between human thought and machine action just got thinner. Is this a tech breakthrough? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.
Elon Musk has officially leveled up X, which was formerly known as Twitter, with a brand new messaging app, Chat, turning the old clunky DMs into a sleek and modern hub for connecting. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Gone are the days of boring text exchanges because Chat now lets users send messages, share files, and even make voice and video calls all in one place. Privacy has taken center stage with end-to-end encryption, screenshot alerts, and an upcoming voice memo feature, just like WhatsApp. So sending quick voice notes is just a tap away. Musk's team promises the group chats and shared media are fully protected, although some details like who gets a message remain visible. For anyone worried about hackers, X says advanced security tools are in the works too. iOS and web users already have access, and Android fans are waiting for their turn. After beta testing and smoothing out technical glitches, the stable version seems to have solved most issues for a safer chatting experience. You can even edit and delete messages after sending, making it easier to fix typos or rethink what you've shared. Elon Musk is ready to give users more freedom, privacy, and functionality than ever before. With Chat, X isn't just a social platform anymore. It's the messaging upgrade users have been waiting for, and for competitors, it's a signal that X is ready to play in the competition. Were you waiting for this upgrade? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.